Hello, nice to meet you. Do you live here?
Yes.
With your family?
No, I live alone. Sorry.
Oh, that's even easier. This is my house.
What?
Sorry, my English is not very good. Is this that?
Yes. See?
Is that a Roman city?
I see. You're joking. It's a lovely joke. Because you're Italian, you think that you own this place because...
No, there is no joke. The Romans occupied England in the 5th century, so anyone of Roman descent has an historic claim to this land. Now leave, my family is waiting outside.
Oh my God, you're serious?
Yes. My god Jupiter proclaimed it. So now back up and peace off, pretty boy.
Your English sounds pretty good to me. Listen. You can't just turn up to someone's house, evict them, and then move in because you think you're the descendants of someone who lived here thousands of years ago. You know that's ridiculous, right?
Pretty wild, isn't it?
Yeah.
Die, guys! Come in! Come in! Anche Jupiter